Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to make a simple 3D model in solid Autodesk Inventor 2017. So this is the simple model we will create with the help of this 3D isometric drawing. So let's start to create this. So let me cancel this one, and here I'll choose new standard millimeter dimensions. Okay. Now this is the browser window of Autodesk Inventor. Let me choose here Start 2D Sketch, and I'll choose here Sketch XY plane. Our drawing will lie on the XY plane. So let me start with a rectangle, and I'll start with origin point. Just press there 96 millimeter, press tab key, and the other vertical dimension is 64 millimeter. Right click OK. Now see 96 millimeter and 56 millimeter. Better to keep this dimension here so it will be more visible. Now select exit and select here extrude, and we want to extrude this body up to 16 millimeter according to our. See, keep this direction, not direction 2. We will keep direction 1, and here keep distance. Okay. Now let me choose isometric view. See, now select this face, and here you will see one option, create sketch. So what sketch we need to create? From the back side we need to extend up to 16 millimeter 48 millimeter upward direction and 16 millimeter thickness. Let me choose here corner rectangle or 2-point rectangle. Start from here to okay. Now select here constraint, collinear constraint. I'll choose this line and this bottom line, and see it's in one line in collinear position. Okay, dimension, and I'll define this dimension 16 millimeter. Exit, select extrude, and we want to extrude this face and up to 48 millimeter. Okay. Now let me choose here fillet. Select this fillet, select 32 millimeter, select edge. We want to choose one edge. Now see the preview here. Apply, or you can directly select OK, cancel. Now press shift key and press your mouse wheel, and you can rotate your part in 360 degree. I'll select the back face, sketch, corner, 2-point rectangle, this point. Now the upper direction, this blue line, you can say 40 millimeter this dimension. Press tab key, then the vertical dimension keep 28 millimeter. Enter. Now see, let me choose here circle. We want to create a half circle here, so just find out center point. See, this green point shows it is center point. Drag, and diameter let's keep 24 millimeter. That's it. Trim, and I want to trim this half inside lines. Now see, it's perfectly fine. Exit. Now choose extruded boss base, and this time we need to extrude up to 42 millimeter, direction 2. Okay. See, this is 40, 28 and 24 millimeter is the diameter, and if you minus 64 minus 22, it will be 42 millimeter. So now the next is this tapered line and this cutout. So this tapered line is point to point, is no only thickness keep 12 millimeter, and here 16 cutout, 16 gap, and 20 millimeter long and 16 millimeter one end. Now let me choose this face, this sketch, and select here line, and we will start with this point. Once the point is green, that means it's coincide. Draw up to this point, search green point, okay, select this point to this point, right click OK. Now finish sketch and go to extrude, and this time we need to expand up to 12 millimeter, but select direction 2, means it will go inside. Select here OK. Now select this face, create a sketch. Now here we need to make one cutout. So how we will do this one? Press line, start from here up to this point and go back to this point and press left mouse key and drag. See, it will automatically convert into circle. Up, then leave. Okay, again it will convert into line. So this is very shortcut technique. Right click, okay. Let me define dimensions. This one let's keep 20 millimeter, not 16. Okay, we need to define one more relation. C constraint, collinear constraint. Select this line and this line. It is perfectly okay. Right click, okay. Dimension 16 millimeter and distance from here to this end also 16 millimeter. Now see, at the bottom you will see fully constrained. So this is ready for the cut. Select here extrude body, and at the just below of the extrude you will see a cut option. See my mouse, cut. Distance, we will keep distance. Select 16 millimeter thick. So 16 millimeter and select this face. Now see, you can see the preview how it's cut. Even you can directly choose here all and okay. Let me define some color so that it will be visible. Light red. Oh, that's fine. Press shift key and with the help of mouse wheel you can rotate this component, or even only mouse. If you press only mouse wheel, it will become a spam. So this is the simple tutorial how to make a 3D model in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video. If you have any comment, just write down below. We will try to answer each and every question. Thanks for watching.